Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about winter washing and which tool to use during a specific process and or paint condition. We have spray-on car wash, rinseless wash and wax, and super concentrated car wash in order with regards to the amount of water they use and the level of dirtiness your car can be before you choose that particular tool. Now to my left we have a daily driven Yukon XL Denali. You can tell it's daily driven. It's got a lot of heavy brake buildup. It's got a consistent film of dirt and road grime all over it. And then we've got heavy organic material below the belt. Now, because of all that organic material, I'm going to encourage a rinse with a hose. So we're going to use the traditional hose and bucket method with super concentrated car wash. Now, if you simply can't get outside, you're in Anchorage, Alaska, there's already a foot of snow on the ground or something miserable like that, I would try rinseless wash and wax diluted at 320:1 and wash that in the garage. This car is not so dirty. We didn't bring it down from a mountain pass or go mudding with it. We can still use that as a safe method to wash the car, but I'd encourage a hose and bucket first. To my right, we've got a show car that was driven deep into the fall on some wet roads with a little bit of mist. It's not exceptionally dirty, but there is still a light film. However, it's not so dirty that we need to put a hose on it. Not that I ever would, because it's an older car that I don't really want to put a lot of water on. So I can use either spray-on car wash or rinseless wash and wax diluted at 320:1 to get rid of that light film and build up all over that car. Now, if you ever have any doubts about which method to use and you're unsure of how dirty your car is relative to the process that you're trying to use, always go one step safer. That's just the best way to ensure that you reduce the introduction of wash and juice scratches, which is the last thing we want to do when we're washing our car during the winter. Thank you for watching. For more information on winter washing and winter prep, be sure to follow us this fall and winter as we expand upon our tips and tricks on how to keep your car clean all year long. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.